Okay, question 1a, we can convert this y equal to 3x plus 4 over x squared. We can convert this to the linear form if we can eliminate one of the x. Eliminate the x squared or eliminate the x. So it means there are two ways here. So for example, if I want to eliminate this x, I will write down over x, and then write down over x there. So and simplify, it become y over x equals 3 plus 4 over x cubed. And it's better for you to rewrite it as y over x equal 3 plus 4 bracket 1 over x cubed. Because if we were to draw the graph, we should label on this axis is y over x, and this is 1 over x cubed. So the m would be 4 and c would be 3. So what is the other method or the alternative? Just now we eliminate the x on that side. So what happened? Can we 3x plus 4x squared, can we eliminate this x? Yes, if we multiply all by x squared. But then make sure that you multiply everything with x squared. So the equation will be yx squared equals 3x squared plus 4. So in this case, when we draw graph, it will become yx squared. The axis here, the y-axis become yx squared. The x-axis become x squared. M is 3, c is 4. So if you are given y equal to px cubed plus qx squared, how do you convert it to the linear form? First, we can eliminate all the x on the right side. So it means you divide by x squared. So the equation will be y over x squared equals px plus q. You are going to draw y over x squared against x. You will get equation straight line where the gradient is p, the c is q. The other option, you eliminate the x cubed by dividing by x cubed. So simplify. But then it's better to write p plus q 1 over x. So you are going to draw y over x cubed against 1 over x. So the gradient m will be q and c is p. The other way around from this solution. So for your info, how do we know we are going to do this way or that way? It actually depends on the question letter, the additional info that you are given. So sometimes or most of the time, the question will ask you to compare. You are given, for example, this, and then a drawing is given like this, so it means that you have to divide all by x cubed. But then if you are given this equation and the comparison to it is y over x squared, it means you divide all by x squared, you will get this equation. So m would be p and the c would be q. Okay, 1c, y is p over x plus q over px. How do we transform this into y equals mx plus c? So what you have to make sure is that you have to multiply or divide in such a way that there is only one x left. So there are two x's here. One is here, another is here. So how you can eliminate one of them? So for example, if I want to eliminate this, then I will divide all by x. Then write down x on the side here, then you can cut it. So the equation would be y over x equals p over x squared plus q over p. Then is it possible to write down in terms of y equals mx plus c? So it become y over x equals p times 1 over x squared plus q over p. And because this chapter is always deal with the graph, you have to know if you are going to draw a graph, what is represented here is y over x, and what is represented here 1 over x squared. Okay, so from this part it's not that clear. So if I were to write like this, then it will become less ambiguous. So the m is p and this is to represent c. Okay, so this is a straight line. Is there any other option? Yes. If you were, okay, I will rewrite the equation p over x plus q over px. So the first time I eliminate this x. Now, is it possible to eliminate this x? Yes, if you multiply by x. So the equation become xy, and you can cut here p plus q over p x squared. Now the graph will become xy against x squared. So the gradient is represented by this, and the c is this one. Okay, d y equals pk to the power of square root of x. How do we transform this to a linear form? Okay, so whenever the power is a variable, it is always to use log 10. So you substitute log 10 y log 10 pk to the power of square root of x. Now using rules of log, you have log 10p plus log 10k to the power of square root of x. And using another rules of log, you have to bring this to the front of log 10k. So it becomes log 10p plus square root of x log 10k. And here is log 10y. So the drawing or the graph that you are going to draw is log 10y against square root of x. So this log 10k is representing gradient, and then log 10p is the value of c of the straight line here. E, y equals pk to the power of x minus 1. How do we transform this to the straight line equation? So what you have to do here, to take in log 10y equals log 10 pk to the power of square x minus 1. Using rules of log 10 pk, it will be log 10 p plus log 10 k to the power of x minus 1. Then you have to bring that x minus 1 in front of the log 10k, so it becomes log 10p plus x minus 1 log 10k log 10y. So the drawing or the graph that you are going to deal later should be log 10y against x minus 1. So this is to represent m, and this is to represent c. Okay, 1f. How do we transform to y equals mx plus c? So whenever you see that the power consists of algebra, is always to use log 10. So log 10y equals log 10 k to the power of x squared over p. And using rules of log, if this is k over p, so it become k minus log 10 p. And using the rules of log, you have to bring down the power, so it become x squared log 10k minus log 10p. So this is still maintain log 10y. So the graph, it will look like this is x squared, this is log 10y. So log 10k is representing m. Okay, c is negative log 10